What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2010 Cadillac CTS 3.0 liter V6. Has stock converters right there and right there. True duals into two secondary converters. And what we did is deleted the mid resonator with 2 1/4 pipe. And then we also deleted the rear mufflers right there and right there into 4-inch double wall stainless steel exhaust tips. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We always appreciate the support. That's loud. Dang. Sound decibels? 119. That's loud. So loud. You like it?
Yeah, I'm very
Oh,
loud.
yeah.
I didn't think it was going to be this loud.
Yeah, no.
I like that.
Did you guys hear it on the inside? Okay.